Hi and welcome to Casual DIY channel. So you've got some offcuts, some spare time, Easter round the corner. So you're thinking how this year you're gonna decorate your Easter table? Well, these are your answer. Egg holders in the shape of a bunny. You can't go wrong with these bad boys. This is another great project to actually utilize your offcuts and your scrap wood. So what I will be using, I've got some poplar, some beechwood glue up, and my favorite, mahogany. So the best way to do projects like this is actually make a template. So first of all, I'm going to make one and I'm going to use it as a template to draw it on the rest of the wood and just make a quick repetitive cut. So let's get to it. As we've got our design sorted, it's time to go to the bandsaw and cut out the shape. So now, when we've got the template sorted, it's actually quite easy to trace it on the remaining pieces of wood. And now it's time to take them little bunnies to the pillar drill. Let's get drilling. And now it's time to give it a bit of a round over where the egg is gonna go. So the next stage is to actually sand them down. We'll start with 120 right up to 240 and then we'll start applying the finish. The bunnies are now fully beautifully sanded right up to 240, but before we proceed to apply the finish, I've actually drawn some faces on the reverse of them, so when they stand up on your shelf they look pretty sweet. I'm going to be using my wood burning iron, as you can see, to make the marks. Come on guys, are these cute or what? Absolutely brilliant. They came out better than I thought they're gonna do. So it's time to actually finish this up, and you'll see the final product in just a second. So let's put my secret finish blend on. If you want to find out how you can make it yourself, I will link it up above. I already done a video about it. So it's a mixture of beeswax, mineral oil and coconut oil. I love this finish. Obviously it's food safe and it needs to be in this case, so let's get to it. I will go with a total of 2 coats with a bit of buffing at the end. And there you go, nice and simple project. Easter's just round the corner, so perfect timing. You know, it only took a few hours to actually make, so it's definitely not hard or difficult or not time consuming at all. So I'm hoping you actually got inspired by this video, and now you know what to do with your offcuts and all your wasted wood. So as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week and my next project. Till then, take care.